Hey everyone, I'm Dave.
And I'm Jan, and this is AZ Life Cooking.
And today we are making fruit candy.
Yes!
So today we're gonna make our own fruit candy with no sugar, just the natural sugars in it. We're gonna dehydrate it, something I've never done before. Have you ever done this?
Well, if you count blending up apricot into like a blobby consistency, putting it out on saran wrap, and then putting it out so all the flies and bees can come
That
into
counts.
it.
That's old school.
That is old school.
So you just gave a good plug for having a food dehydrator.
Yeah.
Seems like you covered it with something though. I don't remember it being littered with bugs and a little extra crunch in that fruit.
Oh, girl.
There's a bee leg.
Oh my gosh.
We're not doing fruit leather today though. That's a different recipe. We're just gonna cut up some fruit and we're gonna dry it. And I picked a bunch of fruits that all have about the same recommended drying time. The only one that was a little different was the kiwi, but I think if we cut them a little bit thicker, I think we cut those about the same thickness as maybe the pineapple or...
That thick?
Yeah, well, like a quarter
Wow.
inch, like about that. Then they should.
Okay.
And we're gonna let this go overnight. So we're gonna start it at night and let it go overnight so that, you know, about 10 hours by the time we wake up, and then that way we can kind of monitor the last.
That's the way to do it.
Yeah. And then we have this cool thing. I don't remember, somebody gave it to us or we bought it?
We bought it in the fruit section where they sell pineapples.
So Jan's gonna try this out today. It's supposed to core and slice.
Yep.
This is not a sponsored product. It's just a little gizmo we're gonna try. Okay, so next, let's move these out of the way and pull out our trays. I don't know how small these raspberries are gonna be.
Right.
So like blueberries,
Just
raspberries,
to be safe.
You know, little pieces of anything.
Little fruit.
That's what this tray is for.
Okay. Look at those beautiful colors.
Yeah, look at that. 135, I'll tap the button again to go to time. 12 hours,
Ooh.
Start.
Here we go.
That is easy.
See you in 12 hours.
And we're back. So what happened is we checked this morning. Mm-hmm. Yeah, most of the fruit was done, except for
the raspberries.
Yeah, so we ended up doing the raspberries another 4 hours. And some of them, most of them seem done. Yeah. But some of them don't seem done. So we pulled off a lot of the ones that seem done. Look how beautiful that looks.
The thing that surprised me is I expected this to be way more brown.
Yeah.
Didn't you?
Yeah, like the color, even the green kiwis are still pretty green.
Yeah, very beautiful coloring.
Yeah, and I will say I was impressed with this unit. The fact that everything, it seemed very even. Nothing seemed...
Which is a big deal when you're trying to dry several...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it did very even job.
I'll try mango since that's closest to me.
Let's try mangoes.
Good flavor.
Oh yeah.
Super good.
Man.
And I like the idea of taking these on a road trip. I really like that idea.
Yeah, thumbs up for the mango. This is our candy, right? Because we try to avoid eating regular sugar candy as much as possible. So that is really good. So,
good.
Let's try some raspberries.
Okay.
A little bitter.
Like I can't describe it.
Just feels like eating fruit leather to me. Like it's a little chewier.
It's crunchy.
But these are really
it's
puffy
kind of got
and
a
soft.
crunch to it.
I like the mangoes better.
I like the mangoes better for sure.
These pineapple, it might not look so fancy because we use that little weird machine. I think had we done it with a knife and got nice crisp edges, they wouldn't.
I think it looks, I like it. I like
yeah, but if you compare these to the
shape.
ones you see in the store, you know.
But the ones in the store are also covered in sugar.
Yeah.
Super good.
Yeah, that was really good. Last up is kiwis.
So my favorite would be a toss-up between the mango and the pineapple.
For sure.
Third would be kiwi, last would be raspberry.
So overall, very impressed with everything. You know, when you want a nice little snack or a treat, or, you know, if you're on a really healthy diet, a like the plant paradox, this would be your candy.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it's got definitely more of that candy, chewy sort of feel. And honestly, I still don't know why everybody wants these coated in sugar, because honestly,
They're
it just
so much better.
tastes so much
I
better.
actually have never really cared for the dried pineapple before.
Because it's just sugar.
Because it just has that, ugh.
It's just
This
like
is
syrup.
amazing though.
Yeah.
Super good.
This is just tasty. All right, everyone. Hopefully you enjoyed this recipe. I guess it wasn't much of a recipe, but
Just some
how-to video.
tips and ideas.
Yeah, on drying out fruit. And then also, this was kind of sponsored, I guess, by Cosori, and they sent us this unit to try out, and we really liked it.
Very easy to use.
A lot of volume. So we could have done a lot more than this. This is just a small sampling of what we did. This isn't the full end result, by the way.
Very simple and easy to use. And our house smelled amazing.
Yeah, it smelled really good. So I think next thing we'll try is maybe some jerky. Because
that would be
that's
fun.
another thing that has a lot of sugar in it, and I want to try a jerky, like a beef jerky, high quality grass-fed beef.
Yeah.
If any of you guys have a recipe for beef jerky that would be plant paradox or
yes.
keto compliant, leave
Send
it
it our way.
in the comments below. And we'll give it a try on another video.
Thanks so much for joining us. We appreciate your support. Hang in there. You're doing fantastic.
That's right. And we'll see you on the next video.